welcome back to my channel. It's me Shreya. So up to here we started videos on the chemical reaction and equation of a class or 10th. So in today's session I'm going to discuss the second type of the reaction, that is a decomposition reaction. Please like to my channel, please subscribe. You people are not subscribing my channel, so you won't get the notification of my next videos of a 10th class. So I request you all to subscribe my channel and please support me. So let's start the second type of a reaction, that is a decomposition reaction. So decomposition nothing but a single reactant break down into two or more products. Such reaction we called as a decomposition reaction. So here we have a first activity called heating of a ferrous sulfate molecule or a ferrous sulfate compound. Okay, so in that what happened, I'm considering a 2 gram of a ferrous sulfate. I'm taking in a test tube. After putting into a test tube, the before heating ferrous sulfate, the color of a ferrous sulfate will be green color. After heating, what happened, the color of a ferrous sulfate changes, and along with that, so the smell of that ferrous sulfate also changes. So this means that there is a chemical reaction whenever we heat it. So what is that reaction? I'll show you now.
So that reaction is, so here we consider the 2 gram of ferrous sulfate that we are writing FeSO4. Okay, so which is in a solid. So the name of this, so this is the reaction. When ferrous sulfate is undergoes heating, it will form the ferrous oxide and sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide as the product. Okay,
So another reaction in the same decomposition reaction is that burning of a lead nitrate. So how we seen the reaction in the ferrous sulfate, in the same way here also we are considering a 2 gram of lead nitrate. So when I heat the lead nitrate, when after putting into a test tube, what happened here also there is a change in the color of the lead nitrate before and after heating, and along with that the we can smell it. So before there is no smell of the lead nitrate. After eating, what happened, there is a smell of, or there is a odor of a lead nitrate. By this we can again say that there is a chemical reaction while heating the lead nitrate. So here what happening, a single reactant, nothing but a lead nitrate PbNO3 twice, a single reactant going to break into, so lead oxide and nitrogen oxide as well as nitrogen dioxide as well as oxygen. So this is the reaction.
this reactant PbNO3 twice we called as a lead nitrate. Okay, so here also we heating the 2 grams of lead nitrate. How much gram we are taking? 2 grams of lead nitrate. Okay, so by this we get to know that there is a chemical reaction carried in this PbNO3 twice. So let's oxygen. We need to balance it because here we have the lead molecules as a 2. So we balance the lead molecule, then remaining will be nitrogen. Here 2 into 2 4. So just multiply nitrogen by 4. Let's check the oxygen. Here we have a 2 molecules of oxygen. 4 to the 8 plus 2. So 8 plus 4 will be 12. So 3 to the 6. 6 to the 12. Then this reaction is balanced. What is this? This is lead nitrate. This is lead oxide. This is nitrogen dioxide. What we call this is nitrogen dioxide. This is oxygen. That's it. I hope this much is clear for you. So in next session, I'll explain it further. You know that in a periodic table, halogens. Halogens nothing but the elements so which are nearer to complete their outermost electron as a full or a completely filled outermost electron. Uh, they only have the one vacancy in the outermost orbit. So fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These elements we called as a halogen element or a halogens. Okay. So another element is like astatine. I think the molecular formula of acetylene will be AT. A acetylene molecular formula is AT. AT. Okay. So these we called as a halogens. Now what we'll do? We'll mix these halogens with the silver atom. What we'll do? We mix the halogen with the silver atom. Let's take the example as AgCl. So this is silver chloride. So what I took? I took a AgCl, which is let's take a 2 gram of a AgCl. What I will do? I'll take a powder of this AgCl and I'll keep in the water glass. I'll put them in the water glass and I'll keep it in the sunlight. What I'll do? I keep it in the sunlight. Okay. The sun rays used to fall. So sun rays nothing but they are a heat. The sun rays nothing but they are a heat. So directly or indirectly I am heating the silver chloride. What I am doing? I am heating the silver chloride. Now what it should form? It the molecule should break. So how it will break? It will chlorine. That's it. Simple. Instead of a chlorine, if I mix 2AgBr, here color also changes of the silver. Before keeping it to the sunlight, the color of a silver chloride is white in color. How it is? White in color. After keeping it to the sunlight, the color of the silver chloride is which is in the gray color. Okay. So here we have the silver bromide. So what is the product? That is Ag. So here we need to balance. Just multiply here too. Okay. So here we have a Ag, 2 moles of Ag, which is solid, and it will form the product as Br2, which is gas. So you tried for AgF. So tell me the answer for this reaction, and 2Agi and 2Ag80. I don't try it for this. Try it for this fluorine and iodine. Comment me what is the answer for this. I hope this decomposition reaction is clear. So it's very easy. What is decomposition reaction? A single reactant break down into two or more products. Such reaction we call as a decomposition reaction. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribing. Bye bye.